Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and merciful. We are doing exercise of Unit 3, Class 10, Computer. In the last video, I have completed exercise number 1 of Unit 3 to exercise number 5. Now, inshallah, in today's lecture, I will complete the remaining exercises also. So let us start with exercise number 6. Its statement is as follows. Following is the eligibility criteria for admission in an IT university. This information is given. 3 points are given to you. At least 60% marks in metrics, 65% marks in intermediate, pre-engineering or ICS, whatever. At least 60% marks in entrance test. So there are 3 conditions given and you have to test these 3 conditions. Now on the next page, the remaining statement is as follows. Write a program that takes as input the obtained marks and total marks of metric, intermediate and entrance test. You have to declare these 3 variables. The first one will be total marks and obtained marks of metric, total marks and obtained marks of entrance test, total marks and obtained marks of intermediate. So in total these will sum up to 6 variables. The program should tell whether the student is eligible or not. Now let us see its program. Its program is as follows. Very simple. In order to solve any problem, you need to first understand the statement of the problem. What is given in the statement of the problem? So read it 3 to 4 times. As usual, the first statement is the include statement, which is here. Hash include std.attach. After that, the main function is used, void main. After that, variables are declared and total marks of metric, obtained marks of matrix, int total marks of inter, obtained marks of inter, int total marks of anti-test, obtained marks of anti-test. So these are the 6 variables that you have declared. After that, print a message on the screen. The message is written in front of you in double quotation marks. The same will be printed on the screen. Enter total marks and obtained marks on the of metric. The executor of the program will read this message and enter the required information. After that, scanf function is used. In these 2 format specifiers are used and 2 variables are used. The first one is total marks metric and the second one is obtained marks of matrix. The user will enter total marks and obtained marks of metric. After that, printf statement is used as we have written before, and in this, instead of total marks of matrix, total marks of intermediate have been asked. The user will enter these 2 total marks of inter and obtained marks of inter. After that, third time the same message is printed on the screen using the printf function with the total marks and obtained marks of entrance test. The user will enter the required information in the variables total marks of entry test and obtained marks of entry test. So these are just simple output and input. The output is accomplished using the printf statement. 3 printf statements have been used. Printf 1, 2, 3 and 3 scanf functions have been used. Scanf and user will enter the required information. After that, you will perform the required calculation in the question. So what will be the required calculation? So here it is the required information. Let us look once again at the statement of the question. These three conditions must be checked in the question. 60% marks of matrix, 65% marks of intermediate, 65% marks in entrance test. So we will combine these three conditions to make a compound conditions. If obtained matrix marks divided by total matrix marks multiplied by 100 greater than equal to 60, here you calculate the percentage of matrix obtained marks. The formula is written in front of you. In the same way, you will calculate the percentage of intermediate marks. In the same way, you will calculate the percentage of entrance test. Uh, in this statement, the three conditions are combined with AND operator. We have used the if keyword outside these statements, and by using the AND operator we combined these three statements into a single statement. If all the statements or expressions are true, then this message will be printed on the screen. Printf, you are eligible for admission. If any one of these conditions is false, then the printf statement after the else keyword will be printed, executed, and the message will be displayed on the screen: you are not eligible for admission. So in the first page, only printf function is used to output the message, and scanf function is used to obtain the value from the user. And here we have written all the required conditions using the if keyword. After that, we printf the message: if all the conditions are true, that you are eligible for admission, else you are not eligible for admission. So after this statement executed, our program will become to an end. Now the final statement of the exercise number 7 of chapter number 3 is as follows: write a program that calculates the bonus an employee can get on following. This information is given to you. This the same question might not be asked in the board exams, as it takes 2 pages. This statement can be limited to only 3 conditions. So if you know how to write the program, then you can write it. We will use the logic if, else if, else if, else if, else. So we have to calculate the bonus, and the condition is given as follows. After this information, this statement is given, the program should take as input this salary, this one. Different ranges of salaries are given. Experience, different values of experience are given, and number of bonus tasks, different values of bonus tasks are also given. So we will declare these 3 variables: number 1 salary, number 2 experience, and number 3 bonus task. And then we will calculate if all the conditions are true. Salary is 10,000, experience is 2 years, and bonus task are 5. Then we will print 1500. After that, if these 3 conditions are satisfied, then we will print the bonus 2500, and so on. The program should display the bonus on the screen. So here is the program in front of your computer screen. Hash include stdio.h white main. Now you will declare the variables int salary, experience, and bonus task. After b, I have used underscore sign to combine these two words. I have written only b instead of bonus. So b underscore task. This is a single variable. Printf, you have printed a message. Enter your salary, comma, experience, and bonus task. The same message will be displayed on the screen when this program is executed. After this, scanf function is used where the user will enter values in these three variables. He will enter salary, experience, and bonus task. So first he will enter the salary 10,000, experience 2 years, and bonus 5. So here, as you can see, if salary double equal sign will be used, as it is to check the left hand side with right hand side, equality of the variable values or variables at the left hand side and the right hand side. After that, AND operator, logical AND operator is used. Experience equals to and bonus task equals 5. So these three sub conditions will join to make a compound condition. If all the conditions are true, then this statement will be executed, else the other condition will be tested. Printf, your bonus is %d backslash n 1500. This value will be printed on the screen. After that, we will check the next condition, else if salary equal to 10,000. Here the salary is 10,000 and experience is equal to 3, experience equal to 2 in the last if statement, and bonus task is equal to 10. Same variables are used as we have used earlier, but the values are changed in some variable. If these expressions are true, then this statement will be executed. Print of your bonus is 2500. Else we will check the next part of the program. Here is the next part. In this, we will check the remaining values of the variable. Else if salary equal to 25,000, experience equals to 3, bonus task equal to 4. If all these conditions are satisfied, if all these sub expressions are satisfied, then this statement will be executed. Your bonus is 2,000. Else if any one of these sub expressions are not satisfied or not true, then the next expression will be checked. Salary equals 75,000, experience equals to 4, and bonus task equal 7. Then print out your bonus is 3,500. Else if salary equal to 1 lakh, experience equal to 5, bonus task equal to 7. So one thing you must notice here is that the same condition, the same sub expressions are repeated with different values of the variables. Salary, experience, and bonus task, these variables are repeated again and again, and only their values are changed. If all the sub expressions are true, then this statement will be executed. Your bonus is 5,000. Else printf invalid input. So here in this program, if and else if concept have been introduced. So that's all. By completing the 7th exercise, we have completed all the exercises of chapter number 3 exercise, and I pray to Allah that all of you stay in good health, take care of your parents, your near and dear ones. May Allah bless you all and me also. Allah Hafiz, take care of you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.